Hey guys, it's J.A.Haunts, and today in this video we'll be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of Spirit Halloween's new for the 2024 season, Demonica. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so I got Demonica in a trade with this kid. I don't know if you know him, but he's
probably don't. And my head is probably cut off, but whatever.
yeah. But I'm in a stranger area, as he liked to say in that M-Line video. I am at Tamarack's house. So
this will be my filming wall eventually.
yeah. But let's just open this prop.
So it has already been unboxed by me. This is actually the one that I got for Christmas, but then
It got recalled.
Yeah. Now I got a new one.
So
First of all, adapter. Check.
adapter. Next we got
Demonica. More than likely. Oh, look, careful, she's stuck on the base. There you go.
pretty scary.
And actually, I drilled the holes bigger into her hands, so they actually fit on the base. So
yeah, this is my first time actually seeing her in person, and I really like that design. And I genuinely think that I think she's dating Shotgun Blast Zombie.
long stick,
Long stick.
base, awkward base.
Very awkward base. Module right here.
And instructions.
Oh, and since it's from Techie, we got the
Thing that we don't need either. Let's just get the box out of here.
yeah.
Alright. Let me sit on my floor.
I'm just gonna grab the instructions because I want them, and I'm gonna sell them on eBay for $20.
Alright.
Alright.
Here you have your Demonica. Put out the hard things.
Alright, so this is a weird base, but so we gotta put the mech on.
I gotta remember which way the mech went. I believe it was this way. No, it was this way.
Alright. A to A. Attach A to A right there.
Maybe backwards, hold up.
No, it's
Yeah, it is.
There it is. Snap lock that in.
Now, this connects to that through a clip.
It is a pretty weatherproof mechanism too. So,
No, it ain't.
well, it's not.
A mechanism can get wet. It's that you do not want to get wet.
True.
Which can be very avoidable by wrapping a garbage bag around it.
Right. Next, we gotta put the module right here onto this pole right next to the
And
mech.
then connect the wires.
Let me make sure. Oh, you cannot see this. Let's just do that.
Control your camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Connect the wires.
Next is the body. This is actually one of the more simpler setups.
Very simple. And it's surprising because it's from Techie does do pretty simple setups. Well, sometimes. Put that in. Attach B to B.
Just like so. Ouch. I just pinched my finger.
And then you want to attach.
I'm suing Techie for
Hurting him again. Yep. So then you want to attach wire H.
what is going on with her arm.
H.
Ah! Oh, that's why.
And then you want to
Put
put
the hands
hands
in the hole.
in the holes.
You'll have to like smash them in there to some degree.
Yeah. Jeez, that is.
Yeah, they did a bad job with it, but I got mine in, I believe. We're close enough.
Oh, God.
You just gotta push and pray. There you go. Here. Did you get it in?
I got one in. Thank you for recalling her, Spirit.
Yeah, I know. Jesus. I just didn't even try because I was like, oh yeah, This is most definitely effed up, so. I hear her. Go in. Okay, well, that works.
It's whatever. It's just a techie prop.
Turkey.
Bro.
I'm sorry, but
It's whatever.
there we go. Hey!
Now we want to attach the adapter, and we still have a few.
And the wires.
I think we have, we have like one wire. Or two.
And the Velcros.
Yep, Velcro too.
I will work on Velcros. You work on wires.
Alright. Make sure her volume is up too.
Yes. Or else you won't hear nothing, and then you'll be like, why is my Demonica not making any noise?
Yep. I like that they did the Velcro. It's definitely way better.
Make sure that her volume isn't like cranked, because
Oh, it's pretty cranked.
you cranked it all the way, bro.
Yeah.
Jesus. Okay.
It's just
You good?
Velcro.
Some random Velcro.
Velcro fell off, Jackie. Fix your prop.
Okay, and I believe that is it for this. So, plug it in.
So let's plug her in.
Unplug the top thing.
Let's see.
Nope. She doesn't have a sensor. Oh, dang.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Alright, please like and subscribe before you go. Alright, bye.